When you look online, lawyers talk in platitudes, they give you generalized advice, but nobody will tell you what they would do if they were in your shoes. They're worried about getting sued. They're worried that you're going to say, oh, you gave me legal advice. I say, F it. So got a call from a friend whose daughter was hurt at summer camp. Interesting fact pattern, they had effectively been representing themselves in this claim with the camp. And the camp had sort of like assumed responsibility, right? They basically acknowledged that like their counselor should have been paying more attention, etc. So the camp's represented by insurance. When they originally talked to the insurance company hemmed and hawed, and it didn't seem like they were going to do the right thing. Something happened on the back end where the insurance company changed their tune. That could happen sometimes, right? For all we know that this camp was a big client of the insurance company and they were going to lose the policy, if they didn't do the right thing. So anyway, the insurance company comes back to the table and says, hey, what's it going to take to make our claim go away? You don't hear that very often. The insurance company was actually trying to do the right thing, and they wanted to know how much they should ask for. So this is when my buddy called me. We had a conversation of what we think the full value of this claim is. Now, full value from an attorney's perspective, like if we took this to trial, right, and got a verdict, what do you think that claim is worth? And what we came to was probably somewhere in the vicinity of $40,000 to $50,000, right? It involved a broken arm. There was no surgery. Thank God the little girl is okay. And so what I advised my friends to do was to go back to the insurance company and say the following. I have consulted with an attorney. That attorney has agreed to represent me if we cannot get this case resolved. And I helped them write this letter. And in the letter, they put, we think the full value of this claim is $50,000. However, if I had an attorney, I'm going to have to pay an attorney. This is going to, last for a long period of time. We will settle the claim today for $30,000. It was a very reasonable letter to the insurance company stating exactly what they were going to do. The math made sense to any insurance adjuster that was going to read it. And lo and behold, the insurance company tendered the policy, right, and paid them the $30,000. The point being is you don't always have to have an attorney by your side, right? This particular case, it worked out well, but it was good to be able to, add some value to the negotiation and get my friends what they were entitled to.